When your brake lever is collapsing and your brake is squeaking at the same time, probably you don't need the bleeding. You need to replace those pads. And so we're gonna do it together. First, position your bleeding port on the brake lever side facing upwards and open it, then clean your brake. Now you can reset your pistons. Do not remove old brake pads yet, you need them. Yes, the oil will leak, that's normal. After resetting it, you can remove your old pads. Old, new. Your pads should not be thinner than 0.5 millimeter, and with about 1 millimeter of thickness you will start hearing more squeaky noises. Now I'm installing new braking pads. Don't forget your circlip. Now everything will be clean because I'm degreasing the rotor too, so that my brakes will be silent. After reinstalling the wheel, I'm refilling my oil reservoir, checking whether the lever is stiff. And yes, it is.